Anybody know any more fiddle tunes?
Oh, okay.
Oh, yes. You got to do that one on the old on the harmonica.
All right, yeah, harmonica's good.
Oh yeah. The cowboys would play the cows at night to keep them from stampeding, because they would recognize the cowboy and his voice and his music. And they had a harmonica back then in the cowboy days. The harmonica comes from Germany, and in the early 1830s, you know. And you said which one was it? Oh my God! Oh my God! That's that song. That one there. That's they say. Yeah, you and I could get along. Yeah, there you go. Well, it's all good. I like the old music, you know. Okay, I'm going to play you one from the hills. Well, they haven't howled like dogs when I play it. I'll play it in tune too. If I had no horse to ride, I'd go down walking up and down the mountainside, looking for my darling. If I were a junior fool hanging on a tree, every time that pretty girl passed, it would bother me. I'd go down walking, up and down that mountain, listening to my talking. If I were a junior fool hanging on a tree, every time that pretty girl passed, it would bother me. There you go. All right, thank you guys.
Thank you.
You did?